Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Wrangler hardtop. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and gather the necessary tools, such as a Torx bit set. It's helpful to have a second person available for the main hardtop removal. Always store the panels and the main top safely to prevent any damage. Understanding each step ensures a smooth and efficient process. To begin, you'll remove the two smaller freedom panels. Inside the Jeep, unlatch the two front latches above the windshield and the two rear latches near the sound bar. Then, unscrew the two large thumb screws. Once all fasteners are released, carefully lift each panel off and place them in their designated storage bag or a safe, padded area to prevent scratches. Next, prepare the main hardtop for removal. In the rear left corner, disconnect the washer fluid hose by pressing a button and pulling. Then, unplug the electrical connector by sliding the red tab and pressing to release. Use a T50 Torx bit to remove the 6 bolts securing the hardtop in the trunk area, 3 on each side. Store all bolts in a safe place to avoid losing them. With all connections and bolts removed, it's time to lift the main hardtop. This step requires at least 2 people due to its weight, which can be around 140 pounds. Carefully lift the hardtop straight up and then back, clearing the spare tire. Place it on a dedicated storage cart or hoist system, ensuring it's stable and protected from the elements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.